In this video, we'll be seeing the different users who are associated with any action and what are their roles and what are the descriptions used in the system. Now, every action or everything to be executed in Expal is called an item. Now, every item has a very specific set of users that are associated with it. The core of every item is an owner. So every item in the system has an owner. That owner will typically create that item and will update the status, the progress, and will be responsible for closing that item when it is completed. Now, every item also has some oversight built in, and that oversight is provided by a supervisor. So every item has an owner and will have a supervisor, and the supervisor will typically approve all the changes that are made, will approve the closure of that item, etc. Now, for matrix structures and for certain other reasons, there is another level of oversight provided by a person called an overseer. Now, in most cases, you would see the supervisor and overseer would be the same person. In certain cases, they would be different. And the reason for that is the overseer is actually the owner of the item, which is a parent of the item here in the pyramid. So there is an owner, there is a supervisor and an overseer who provide the oversight. In most cases, they would be the same. And then every item also has a whole lot of collaborators. Potentially, you could have anywhere between 0 to n number. And these are called team members in the system. And team members are people who are stakeholders who either need to know, who need to be kept informed, or will be contributing towards the execution, will be providing some information, some approvals, etc. So they are all called team members and will be associated with that particular item. So just to summarize, every action in the system is called an item. An item has an owner. Every item will also have a supervisor and an overseer, which the owner will determine, and every item will also have a certain number of team members, which are again specified by the owner. So these are the people who are involved with every item, and these are the specific roles associated with each of them.